Hello everyone, welcome back to the new episode of our weekly series Market Pulse. Let's begin with the index Nifty. The Indian index closed higher for the second straight week and in that process recreated the history with a record weekly closing at 15,435 levels. Index added more than 260 points on a weekly scale to claim all-time high. Looking forward, we see Nifty heading further upside towards 15,500 levels, and above that, it will continue to move towards 15,700 levels. On a lower side, 15,300 will be acting as an initial support level. If it fails to hold that, then index may move back towards 15,150, 15,100 levels. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. Banking index observed consolidation over the past week post breakout from the important hurdle present at 34,300 levels. On broader range, index is forming higher high, higher low formation. Going forward, if index starts trading above the last week high, which was around 35,430 levels, then we could witness further buying pressure, which could eventually take the whole basket up to 36,250 levels. On the other hand, 34,700 will be acting as an initial support level. If it fails to hold that, then index may move back towards 33,800 and 33,000 levels. Moving on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty Energy Index. On daily scale, index is forming higher high, high low formation and trading inside rising channel. Index continue to trade about 20 EMA, indicating continuation of a bullish momentum. RSI continue to move towards north direction, indicating good strength in index. Above 19,690, we expect continuation of a bullish momentum towards 20,000 levels. Moving on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock which I am going to talk about is Bandhan Bank. On daily scale, stock has performed falling channel resistance breakout. It has came out of a bearish channel after approx 2 months of bearish domination. Stock has breached the resistance of a 20 EMA and it has closed above those levels. RSI is moving towards the north direction with a positive crossover, indicating good strength in stock. So we expect stock above 306 levels to continue with this bullish momentum towards 330 levels. Moving on towards the final stock, that is Manappuram Finance. On daily scale, stock is forming higher high, higher low formation. It is trading inside the rising channel, currently holding the support of it. Stock has moved back about the 20 EMA and closed above those levels. RSI is gradually moving towards the north direction with a positive crossover, indicating good strength in stock. So we expect stock above 157 levels to continue with this bullish momentum towards 160 and 164 levels. So that's all for this week. Thank you and have a profitable weekend.